Never seen the market that volatile in all my years of trading.
Free fall. World markets are jittery and the TSX takes a dive.
It could mean that we may end up being able to prevent many heart attacks with a vaccine.
An added value. Could there be an unexpected benefit to a pneumonia vaccine?
CTV News with Mutsumi Takahashi and Todd Vanderhayden.
Good evening. There was more panic selling on the North American stock markets today.
In Toronto, the market closed down more than 570 points. In New York, the Dow closed below 10,000 for the first time in 4 years. Oil also fell today to below $88 a barrel, reflecting concerns about a global economic slowdown. And the Canadian dollar lost more than a cent.
Overseas markets didn't do much better either. In Russia, the country's largest index was shut down 3 times before losing more than 18% of its value. Meantime, in Germany, the DAX was down 7% at the close of the business day today. Germany's government is preparing a $69 billion bailout package in the hopes of boosting investor confidence.
When U.S. Congress approved the $700 billion bailout package on Friday, a lot of people hoped that would solve the problems in the financial industry. Marty Say is the managing editor of the Business News Network on CTV News at noon today. He said the U.S. bailout was just the beginning.
Really what we're seeing is the start of it. The bailout package was a major financial hurdle that the financial markets had to get over, but once they got over it, they landed in what has become a great big ditch that is the outlook for the global economy, which is potentially a global recession. So what you're seeing today in terms of the stock market route from Hong Kong to Paris to London to New York and to Toronto is an attempt by investors to price in a slowing global economy, and that is where we saw the downdraft. The bailout is expected to help unseize or thaw out that global credit, frozen credit market. But that doesn't necessarily mean we are going to see a quick rebound in the global economy, and that's what you're seeing reflected in stock markets today.
And like people everywhere, Montrealers are worried about what's happening to the economy. Many of them are dreading their personal finances and what the outcome could be on those. Rob Lurie has been speaking to some Montrealers, and Rob, I take it that people are not very happy today.
And you know, Todd, they're not happy, and what's also adding frustration is they just don't know what to do. They don't know whether they should sell or whether they should hold. They say it just feels that no matter what decision they make in this market, it's wrong.
This is the Risk Management Office of World Trade Securities. They train people in day trading and how to make money in the stock market. Managers here supervise 1,500 traders around the world. What they're seeing today?
Red. A lot of red.
Simon Labradi has been trading stocks for 16 years. He's seen his share of bull and bear markets, but not like this.
Never seen a market that volatile in all my years of trading.
These are tense times for anyone with savings. The general feeling is their nest egg is getting scrambled.
We're, a little concerned about our overall wealth at this moment.
It's bad right now, but it will get better eventually.
And even if you don't have money in the markets, the fear of a recession is scary.
Even if there isn't a recession, once they've said that, people will stop spending.
And it's not just the mortgage meltdown in the United States causing this all. Many investors buy on margins, essentially borrowed money. When their portfolio goes down, they need quick cash to cover the loan.
If people are getting margin calls, they're going to have to sell securities or provide cash.
No one knows how long it will take for the markets to come back, but Simon Labradi says there are good deals out there.
This market is being traded right now just on emotions. It's all emotions everywhere in the world. I think we may be at a bottom or we're reaching a bottom, but again, it's a very speculative time. It's a very scary time, and we should be careful in whatever we do.
Rob Lurie, CTV News.